Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, module 3, lesson 14. Get that mouse wire out of the way. There we go. All right, so we've moved into double digit multiplication. Instead of just, well, I shouldn't say multiple double digit multiplication. Now we're multiplying double digits twice. So it makes it a little bit more, but it's nothing we can't handle. If we look at A here, on page 95. Complete the area model and the equation. So we have 23 times 62. So here we've split 62, right, into 60 and 2. We've decomposed it, do our partial product. All right, and now we go 3 times 60, 3 times 2, 20 times 60, 20 times 2. Because we've also broken the 23 in half. We've gone 3 for the ones and 20 for the tens. You can put them in each, whatever order you want. That part doesn't really matter. So let's work this one out. We have, remember, if there's a 0, just put a 0. So 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 2 is 6. Now over here we have a 0. So on this, we're going to put a 0 because there's already a 0 there. Now there's 2 zeros, so put 2 zeros here. Automatically, 2 zeros there. Okay, so let's do this one now. We have 2 times 2 is 4. And we have 2 times 6 is 12. Now we add all those up to get our answer. But before I do that answer, let's do this side and we'll see if we get the same answer. Same thing over here. We have 3 ones times 2 ones right here. So we have 6 ones. Then we have 3 ones times 6 tens. So there's our 0. And then we have 3 times 6. That's going to get us 18. A little better. All right, over here, 2 tens and 2 ones. Well, we have that tens again, so there's a 0. So 2 times 2, 4. And then we have 2 tens times 6 tens. So there's a 0 and tens, 1 tens. There's a 0 and another 10. So now we have 2 times 6 is 12 again. If we add straight down, 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 12. So put that 2 there. Carry that 1 back up top. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. And if we look, we had a 6 here. We had a 6 here. We had 180 here. We had 180 here. We have 40 here. We have 40 here. And we have 12 here. And we have 12 here with the zeros behind it. All right, I apologize. My phone's ringing. I don't know how to make it stop. Give me 1 second. It'll stop right now. All right, one more ring. We should be good. All right, it's never going to stop. I apologize. All right, let's look at the next one. Hopefully the phone ringing doesn't bother you too much. It's almost done because there it is. I'm at my desk right now at school doing this, so it stopped ringing. We're good now. Okay, so the next one, it says, draw an area model to represent the expression, then multiply by recording the partial products in vertical form. It wants the same as up here. So I'll help you draw it out. I'm not going to do it for you. There's that. So we have 2 and 30, right? Because we broke this into tens and ones. So we're going to break 24 into 20 and 4. All right? Now you're going to do the same thing. Multiply it out just like you did up here. That's all the help I'm giving with that one. On the back, we have multiply 23 times 5. Nice, neat, and easy. It doesn't tell you how to do it, so do it however you want. The next one says, think of the number 5. Start at the number 5. Use the rule of add 3 to create a number pattern. So every time, if you start with 5, so start at the number 5. So 5 plus 3. Find this number plus 3. Find this number plus 3. And keep going and going till you're done. All right. Without extending the pattern, decide whether the 50th term will be even or odd. Now, we haven't done this one in a while. I want you to think back. How can you figure out what the 50th term will be? Think about it. There's a pattern there. I'm not helping with this one. I want to see if you guys can come up with this one on your own. All right. This was Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 14 homework helper. I hope this helps you out. I hope you've had a great day, and I hope you have a good night.